Hello student, in this session we are going to start chapter number 14, polygons. Very first we will see some required definitions. Under that, very first we have to see the definition of curve. What is curve? A figure traced out on a plane surface with the help of a sharp pencil without lifting it is called a curve. It means if we are using sharp pencil on a plane and drawing any figure without lifting pencil like this, or like this. In everywhere we didn't lift the pencil and we made here three figures. Such figures are called curve. Now we will see the open curve and closed curve. Now see open curve. A curve that does not end at the starting point is called an open curve. It means if the starting point and the end point of a curve are different, such curve are known as open curve. See example, I draw one curve. You can see its starting point here, end point here. They are not same, so it is open curve. In the same way, if I start from this point, drawing any curve, you can see again the starting point and end point are different. So it is again an example of open curve. Now, closed curve. A curve that begins and ends at the same point is called a closed curve. Any curve whose starting point and end point is same, such curve are known as closed curve. If we draw a curve like this, you can see its starting point and end point are same, so it is one example of closed curve. One example more. Again you can see the starting point and end point of this figure is also same, so it is again one example of closed curve. Hello student, in this session we will see first simple closed curve. A closed curve which does not intersect itself is called a simple closed curve. It means if any closed curve is not intersecting itself at any point, such closed figure are known as simple closed curve. Let's see. If we draw a quadrilateral like this, then I can say it is closed curve and it not intersect at any point, so it is simple closed curve. See one closed curve more. Here starting and end point are same, so it is simple, it is closed curve, but this curve intersect it at a point here. So this is closed curve but not simple closed curve. Now see what is polygon. A simple closed curve made up of only line segments is called a polygon. It means any closed curve which is made up of only line segments. If I draw a triangle, for that I am using only line segment. It is closed curve made by line segments, so it is polygon. Any quadrilateral it is also made up by only line segment, so it is a polygon. In the same way, we can increase the number of sides to draw more polygons of different number of sides. I have a polygon of 5 sides, it is known as pentagon. Similarly, we can draw hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon and decagon, and any more side more. So such closed figures are known as polygon. Hello student. In this session we will see types of polygon. Very first, concave polygon. A polygon in which at least one angle is more than 180 degree is called concave polygon. I drawn a quadrilateral here which is a polygon. You can see one angle at vertex D. This angle, its measure is more than 180 degree. So this polygon is called concave polygon. In the same way, in any polygon, any one angle, at least one angle is more than 180 degree, then that polygon is called concave polygon. The next type is convex polygon. A polygon in which each angle is less than 180 degree is called a convex polygon. You can see there is a pentagon here which is polygon. The measure of each angle, angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D and angle E. Every angle measure is less than 180 degree. So this type of polygon is known as convex polygon. In the same way, in any polygon, if all angles less than 180 degree, such polygons are known as convex polygon. Next type of polygons are regular polygons. A polygon having all sides equal and all angles equal is called a regular polygon. It means in a polygon, if all sides have same length, equal length and their angle also has same measure, such polygons are known as regular polygon. I drawn an equilateral triangle having all sides equal and each angle measures 60 degree. So it is a regular polygon. There is a square. Here also all the four sides are equal and measure of each angle is 90 degree. So it is also a regular polygon. The next type of polygons are irregular polygon. Polygons which are not regular are called irregular polygon. In other words, if any polygon, the sides are not having same length and their angle are also different, such polygons are called irregular polygon. There is a right triangle. Here all sides are different length. One angle right angle, other two angles are acute angle. They are less than 90 degrees, so it is not regular, it is irregular polygon. In the same way, there is a parallelogram. You can see opposite sides are equal, but all the four sides are not equal together, so it is also a irregular polygon. Hello student, in this session we are going to see some important formulas for polygon. Let us suppose there is a regular polygon of n sides. N is number of sides. Then formula to obtain each exterior angle is 360 upon n degree. What is n? N is the number of sides. Take one example. We taken an equilateral triangle, all three sides equal, side AB, BC and CA. They are produced. By that we are getting three exterior angles and all three exterior angles are equal because it is regular polygon. If 360 divide by number of sides, there are three sides, divide by 3, we are getting 120 degree, which is actually measure of exterior angle. So we got here what is the measure of exterior angle. This formula is applicable for only regular polygon. Now see the next formula. Each interior angle which is equal to 180 degree minus exterior angle. Actually at every vertex the exterior angle and interior angle together becomes 180 degree because they form a linear pair. So their sum is 180 degree. If from 180 we subtract exterior angle, we will get interior angle. Here for this question the exterior angle is 120 degree, subtracted from 180 we are getting 60 degree, we are getting interior angle is 60 degree. Hello student, we will see some more formulas for polygon. Let us suppose there is a convex polygon of n sides. N is number of sides. Then the sum of all exterior angle is always 360 degree. Whatever the number of sides, the sum of exterior angles always 360 degree. I have a pentagon. There are 5 exterior angles. If we add all the 5 exterior angles together, we will get 360 degree. And it is true for all other any number of sides of polygon. See the next formula, that is for sum of all interior angles. Formula is n minus 2 into 180 degree. Here n is number of sides. Take one example. I took a pentagon. It has 5 sides. In place of n, if we put 5 number of sides, 5 minus 2 gives you 3. 180 into 3 gives you 540. It means the sum of 5 interior angles of this polygon is 540. Here there is another formula to obtain number of diagonals for any polygon. Formula is n into n minus 3 whole upon 2, where n is number of sides. Let us suppose there is a pentagon having 5 sides. In place of n, put 5. 5 minus 3 gives you 2. Then after there is a cancellation by 2. And finally we are getting 5. It means there are 5 diagonals of a pentagon. Let's see, we will check it. Diagonals we are drawing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see we can draw only 5 diagonals for pentagon. In the same way, we can obtain number of diagonals for any polygon having any number of sides. Thank you.